I'd like to invite you to just take a deep breath. And as you exhale, just give thanks for this time of ease, for being together, and for being present. Take in another deep breath. And if you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. We give thanks today that we are surrounded by and infused with divine love. With every breath, you take in more. With every exhale, you release anything unlike love. Allow your body to totally relax. And we feel the presence that is never an absence. That one presence surrounds us, enfolds us, strengthens, and embraces us. Just breathe that in. The very essence of our being, moving from the top of our head to the tip ends of our toes. The presence, power, and love of Spirit. As we take in another deep breath, just allow it, that presence, to fill you to overflowing. And as you exhale, we give thanks that that presence is who you are, right where you are. Let us just bask in the presence of the Almighty, in the silence. And as we gently return our attention to this place and time, we bring with us the awareness, the light, the love, and the peaceful presence. And we take a deep breath again. And exhale gently. And we give thanks. And so it is. Amen and amen.